If we want to identify conditional equations, contradictions, and identities, we're going to look at a couple examples. So, say for example, we're given the equation 9x minus 3, x plus 4 equals 6, x minus 2. Solving this out, like we've learned over the course of this chapter, we distribute in, combine like terms. Well, notice something. These two things are identical. And if we keep solving and add 12 to both sides, we get 6x equals 6x minus 6x from both sides, and we get 0 equals 0. True statement, right? So this is what's called an identity. Or in other words, the solution would be all real numbers. The reason for this is because of this true statement, no matter what I pick to stick in for x, any number that's real, I would get a true statement. Because 3 times 2 is the same thing as 3 times 2, or 6 times 4 is the same thing as 6 times 4. The same number, putting in the same number in an identity produces, no matter what it is, a true statement. So that would be an identity. Versus if I'm looking at an example like this, negative 3 times 2x minus 1 minus 2x equals 3 plus x. Distribute in, negative 6x plus 3 minus 2x equals 3 plus x. Combine like terms, so you get negative 8x plus 3 equals 3 plus x. Subtract 3, negative 8x equals x. Subtract x, negative 9x equals 0, and x equals 0. This is what's called a conditional equation. The reason is because I got a solution out. This is only true on one condition. The condition is if x equals 0, this is true. Conditional. Okay, one more example. Let's say I have 10x minus 21 equals 2x minus 5 plus 8x. To solve for x, we distribute, combine like terms, subtract 10x to both sides. Hey, x's cancel on both sides. But what this leaves me with, not a true statement this time. So first time it left me with 0 equals 0, true statement. That's why it was all real numbers. Well, this time it's not a true statement. So this actually has no solution. Or in other words, it's a contradiction. Those two things that we set equal to each other at the beginning will never be equal, no matter what I pick for x.